with you here in the shop. We have another fun project, so I want to invite you to come on over here and let's take a closer look. Alright guys, here is our next project. It's just going to be a little cleanup. It's a hand clamp or a hand vise, and I've been wanting to get one of these. I saw this in the antique store and thought that would be perfect for the shop. Every so often there are things, small things like this that you might want to put to the grinder or to work on, and it's too small for your hand, your fingers. Sometimes not only could it burn you, but it might even just flip out of your hand on the grinder. And this is a perfect way to hold small objects that you want to be able to make work. You can even, I don't know that I'd clamp this into the vise, the wood vise, but it does make for a nice holder. So a little bit of corrosion on here. There's some writing right there. I think it's a Starrett, and so I want to clean that up a little bit better. There's some rust on this little handle here, and we'll clean that up. So I just want to do a quick little cleanup on this and see if we can't make it look nicer, but also we'll be using it in the shop. Alright, let's see how well this is going to work for us. I don't know if you can see right there, there is a small V right in there so that you can put pieces in perpendicular to the jaws and it will hold it in place. You can also put things sideways if you want, but for right now I'm going to put that in there like that. A small piece like this in your fingers would easily slip out, get your fingers into your stone wheel, but this way it will hold that very nice and sturdy. I could set this down on here and we can use this to work on this small piece. So let's just demonstrate it. It's not something that I really need, but I want to see how tight this tends to hold stuff, and then we'll do a final oiling and wrap it up. All right, got this all cleaned up nicely. I put some rem oil on all the metal parts, so that should keep the metal nice. You can always add more to it if we want to. Now it works so smoothly. We put linseed oil on the handle, so that should maintain that very nicely. And I think we've got a tool that's going to serve us for a very long time. Let me bring you down here a little closer. So let's take a look here at what we have. It says Starrett on there. Don't know if I can read the rest of that. You'll probably be able to read it in the video here, but I'm having a hard time seeing it. But it does say Starrett up there, USA. Looks like a part number. And I really am happy with this little tool. This will serve wonderfully. Every so often you need to get in a little bit closer to that grinder with small pieces, and you don't want to get your little fingers stuck in there. I have a friend that calls it your booger picker. Doesn't want to get that stuck in the machine that you're working on, and so this will help me be able to get a lot closer. There's another one like this that has a thumb screw or a wing nut to turn it on, and I'd really like to get one of those. It won't have this long bar sticking out. This, I think you can get tighter without having to use a pliers or something, but the wing nut I think would be very convenient. So anyways, here is our finished up tool, our Starrett hand vise. Another fun day in the shop, cleaning up an old tool that needed a little bit of new life, and we got that all fixed up with this little tool here. I think I'm going to be using this for different things, but I do think I am going to put it over here on the wall and give it a home right up here. Well guys, that was another fun, productive day in the shop. Always great to have you guys stop by for a visit. I enjoy sharing this with you and don't take your time for granted. And if you know anybody else that you think might enjoy this content, please send them the link, and we'll look forward to adding to the community. So give us a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and that way YouTube will let you know when we have a new video up. I try to get up to a week. We'll see if we can keep up that schedule. But anyways, this has been a lot of fun for me. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless.